anybody flicks us off or anything, put the peace sign.
Peace sign.
Peace sign, everybody.
If they spit on you, peace sign.
Peace sign, straight up. If they do anything, peace sign, okay?
They shoot at you.
Come on, man.
If we go on the other side, cops won't stop us.
They're less likely because you're not in Mr. traffic.
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna go out in the streets raising awareness for the children in Gaza and other parts of Palestine. We're gonna be holding up the sign saying "Honk for Palestine." Look at them. We're already getting honks. Hey, tell them, man.
Our goal is to get 1,000 honks, make 1,000 people aware. Each honk that we get, we're gonna take $1 from our money and donate it.
No, we don't need money. We're donating. We just want you to honk. Can you honk? Honk for me. There you go. There you go.
Just like that.
I just want peace between both sides.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Just wanted to thank everybody out here in Houston who showed their support and honked their horns. Just wanted to thank you for that.
We got a lot of supporters today, so thank you for everything.
The whole point about it was to bring awareness to the streets. A lot of people didn't know what's going on, so we did that with actual numbers, and we got support, thank God.
If you're inspired like how we got inspired, I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can donate. And the name of the charity, if you're interested in donating, is called the Palestine Children's Relief Fund. So, and if you like this video, go ahead and share it and like it and put it up on social media for everybody else to see.
Thank you guys.